My favorite time of the year is finally here, and to celebrate the month of Christmas, today I am going to teach you a very unique dessert that resembles everyone's favorite Christmas tree. In this video, we'll be making a Christmas cookie tree, which we will assemble with chocolate ganache, and lastly, we'll decorate with lots of edible garnishes. I'm sure everyone around you will love it, including yourself. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. So let's start by making the dough for the cookie. This is one of the easiest cookie you will ever make. First, in a bowl, we'll take icing sugar and almond flour. In this, we'll rub in cold butter. Here we are using cold butter because if we use normal room temperature butter, we won't get the crisp cookie texture we are looking for. Also, always remember to rub with your fingertips and not with your palms, as the heat of your palm can soften the butter. So we are done with all the rubbing. We'll now sieve rest of the dry ingredients in a bowl, that are all-purpose flour, salt, ginger powder, corn flour. Now I have a question for you guys. Do you know why do we add salt? If you know the answer, write it down in the comment section, and the right answer will get a shout out in our next video. Okay, back to the recipe. We'll now mix all the ingredients together. We'll also add some grated ginger to it, as that will give a beautiful burst of fresh gingery aroma. Lastly, to form a perfect dough, we'll add some milk in it. Our dough is ready and it's time to roll the dough. Now to roll out the dough, we'll put the dough between two sheets of butter paper. The thickness of the rolled dough should be around 0.5 cm. We'll freeze the dough for around 15 minutes before cutting it. Freezing will help in getting the perfect cutouts, so make sure you are not skipping this step. Our dough is out of the freezer. Now we'll cut it using round cutters in different sizes. We are going to place the cookies on baking tray lined with silicone mat. If you want, you can also use butter paper. Next, we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius on both the upper and lower rod for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. Meanwhile our cookies are baking, let me tell you about our upcoming online 4-day Christmas baking workshop. This is one of the most awaited online courses in which we are going to teach you 4 amazing Christmas special eggless recipes. And I can assure you both your families and customers will love you for them. So simply click on the registration link available in the description area below and enroll for the course today. Since our cookies are still in the oven, let's prepare our other element, that is chocolate ganache and the chocolate garnishes that we'll be using at the assembly time. As we are making a simple spiced ganache, we'll mix melted chocolate and warm cream together. In this, we'll add some ginger powder and cinnamon powder. Our ganache is ready, and as you can see, it's super shiny and smooth. Let's keep this aside and move on to making of our chocolate star for the tree. For the star, we'll take a small piece of OHP sheet. Below this, we'll place a small star printout. We'll pipe some melted chocolate on top of the OHP sheet in star shape. We'll let it set for a few minutes. After that, we'll brush some gold dust on top. So all the elements for the Christmas cookie tree are ready. Let's move on to the assembly. For decorating our cookie tree, we have some tutti frutti, some gold and pearl sprinkles and some news chip. We'll take the largest round cookie and place it on a base. Pipe some ganache, then place another round cookie of same size. Now, we'll stack another cookie on top, but the size will be smaller than the larger one. We will do the same with the other cookies until you get a tree-like shape. We have reached to the most amazing part of this cookie, and that is to decorate it. We'll stick tutti frutti and sprinkles with the help of gold glaze. Finally, we'll stick our star with chocolate and let it set at the top. And lastly, to give the snow effect, we'll dust some news chip. Here you go. The Christmas cookie tree is ready. I hope you guys like this recipe. And do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon every time we post new recipe.